Okay, today I'm going to have my first test with my new jetski and we are almost ready to go.
Almost.
Okay. Maybe not today the first test, but maybe this summer.
I'll tell you, just 2 hours and it's done.
I have to tell you something. I have no idea what we are going to do. I don't know how we can fill this hole with some electromagnetic parts. But this is good.
Looking good, looking good.
Almost ready to go.
Precise work. Or not.
Okay, this is the thing. Piston thing.
Piston thing from Piston City.
Nice. Bam, bam, bam.
It's gonna fucking what?
Bam, bam, bam. This guy is not smart.
I am the 6th Finnish cousin.
Okay, now we try to find some horsepowers in this engine. And this is tuning.
I will put there 10 souls.
10 souls. Backflip test. Ingenting. Okay, no.
5,
6,
7,
9,
8,
9, 10. Stop it. 11. Now it's gonna blow. You have some code.
And now if the engine is good, our souls, 10 happy souls will live there, stay there. But if they don't like this engine, they will go away. These are new binoculars, 38 millimeters.
Can you see the future?
No, I.
Okay, so there was not enough pop-up. So how to change backflip stuff.
This is a backflip spring.
Okay, and
Without this you can't do backflip.
okay, and I have
But with the gold one, very beautiful backflips, I promise.
and I had two
Yeah.
backflip springs.
Like old woman. Now we have 2 carburetors, 2 backflip springs, so that means 2 backflips.
Yep. But first we have to try it.
20! Ah, nice.
Okay, now we have backflip machine. Day 2 in the jetski garage, and my only job yesterday was to install that fucking stick, and I broke it. So now we try to fix the stick and hope that.
First we have to draw 500 kilometers to find the right parts.
Yeah. That was your only job today.
Now we add this backflip paint. This is the right stuff. With this, 20 more backflips.
Any backflips coming?
27 now.
27?
Yeah, easily.
Oh, nice to. Here we can see these are the horsepower carburetor and these are the backflip carburetor. Yeah. Okay, these are Mr. Backflip's carburetors, but
no, Mr. Show.
Mr. Show, okay. Yeah. And these are backflip carburetor.
Yeah, there are many backflips. 20.
No. Last time it was 27.
Okay.
And now there's
with this
have to be two more.
With these carburetors, 27 backflips. With these carburetors, only maybe 2.
Yeah.
1, 2. It depends on the weather.
Okay, we had some progress in this project, and we also get the engine in, and everything was looking good. And now we take it off, and we undone everything what we have done, because we had one fucking cable wrong place. We put it here and we should put it here. So we have to,
break it
that
down.
Is nice. That is really nice. This guy here, he's a genius. He has innovation that is bigger than piston. Because we have a problem. We have this might be too high for this. It doesn't go, close and stay closed. And now this guy have a liver stream solution from this seat. Light, GoPro. Working.
Yeah, working good.
Okay, day 3 and problems continue. Still problem with this engine position. Try to figure it out. Hopefully today we get this ready. Horsepower's in the house. It almost looks like a jetski. Included backflip.
Backflip jetski.
This whole thing is looking better.
Awesome.
You can describe, when some young people sit in their home and think that I wanna buy a dirty. I want to build it myself.
Yeah, so it's a walk in the park. Real easy. Just 3 days, 3 guys, whole lot of booze.
100 hours of pure your
Enjoyment.
anger management. We now know why the band is called Race Against the Machine.
Moment of oh shit! It's almost
Käy vaan jotenkin tosi ihmeellisesti.
about 40 hours work last 3 days and 3 guys, so totally about 120 hours, but now it's ready. Thank you, my professional engineer.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you, my professional engineer.
Si.
Arigato.